Hello.
Yeah.
So, hello students, please confirm my voice is audible now. Just I want to see the confirmation in the chat box. So, show me the chat box, sir. Yes, yes, hello. Abhinav, can you see and hear me? Can you see and hear me now? Abhinav, Ashok, Parshar, yes, audible. Now that's fine. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn NEET 2025 के chemistry paper analysis. आज पेपर एनालिसिस में सब 2025 केमिस्ट्री पेपर का कैसे स्ट्रैटेजी था एंड 2024 से कंपेयर करना है तो and this session is especially useful for the students who are completed your NEET 2025 and those who wanted to just drop 2025 के लिए 2026 तक and they want to take a 1 year drop and they also can get the benefit of this and they are just moved from 11th to 12th so that they are going to complete 12th along with your NEET preparation for next academic year is also it is going to be so useful. आज फिलहाल 2025 में पर यू कंप्लीटेड संडे एग्जामिनेशन इसका पेपर कैसे किया आपका कैसे करना है एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी डिस्कस्ड इन दिस क्लास. So when May 4th the session has been completed, so every student is following on cut off kaise hoga, cut off kaise hoga. Every channel, every news and every social media working on cut off kitna hoga and the students are also run behind these cut off marks ke liye. Yeah, yes, aap maza aayega, aane do, and you are going to be the part of it. Okay, so let us discuss a little about the cutoff and let us discuss of the chemistry paper as well. I am not going to discuss the entire chemistry paper. I want to discuss the strategy behind the chemistry paper so that it is going to be having a clarity instead of feeling turbulence after examination. So those students who completed NEET 2025 now, so you are lucky and before your NEET examination because you are busy with your preparation. Now once you complete your NEET examination, now the mind is empty and the mind is so turbulent. ये सोचना वो सोचना and क्या करना कैसा करना क्या किया कहाँ गया. So this session is going to unveil yes exactly what exactly happened as far as the chemistry part is concerned. Okay, Krishna Pro. So हिंदी नहीं आते क्या. Now NEET 2025 chemistry paper पहले हम देखने वाले. So if now what miss your NEET 2025 target, ultimate strategy to medical seat revealed. So Infinity Learn is going to take you a new program in 1 or 2 days. And for those, if you feel it is a miss your NEET 2025, 2026 के लिए क्या करना? Yes, completely it is empty. So we are coming with a strategy program for 2026. Stay tuned. In 1 or 2 days, it will be there with you. And stay tuned in the description box. This program details has been given. Yes, of course, Krishna and Ashok, Athar, and is my voice is audible. Now let us focus on initially about the cutoff only because the students likes this cutoff concept and I am going to take you into the chemistry paper analysis and you can see and our dream is here. There are 1,18,190 MBBS seats, government seats all over the world, all over India. So there are nearly 780 medical colleges. So 24 lakhs. So 24 lakh students are fighting for this number. So based on this paper difficulty and the number of people or number of students getting these many numbers is going to be your cutoff. It could be if the paper is easy, it could be a 700 आसपास में हो सकता. And if it is a moderate and 650 के आसपास में हो सकता. Now 2025 paper is difficult. Based on that, the cutoff marks is been decided. Yes, of course. Next, the 2025 expected cutoff. So everybody is waiting for that to know. and it is simple. You can say if you are related to the unreserved EW or OBC, any score in between 520 to 530 is going to be a relatively better safe position to get in the cutoff zone, because if generally you take the cutoff for the 2023, 2022, 2024, the paper is uniform and it is moderate. But in 2025, everybody got a little what you say difficulty or little lengthy kind of paper, right? ये lengthy kind of paper आपको दिया, so nearly 50 marks का कम आने का संभावना है. So 30 to 50 marks cutoff is going to definitely down. So 522, 530 is going to be the expected cutoff for unreserved category, and OBC and EWS a little down for 20, and कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता EWS and OBC का, almost the same. And when it is come to the scheduled caste, it is 420 to 435 उसके बीच में होगा. And you can see ST and the other reserve categories, it is around 300 to 400 hoga. So this is the overall picture about NEET 2024 expected cutoff from our expert team. Okay, so you just tell me what is your expected score after seeing the paper analysis, after solving or after checking the key by the various promotions. So you may be getting 500 plus, you may be getting 600 plus, you may be getting 450 or so. I want you to see in the chat box, so mention your score, and I can say what is the actual government seat or a medical seat according to your score, and I want to conduct a special session for that. Yesterday I conducted a government medical college was cut off. So very good response I got it, and tomorrow I just want to make a session for private medical colleges and a cutoff. So that is going to be valuable information, my dear students. So let us talk about the overall picture about MBBS government medical college all over India. Cutoff, yes, it is only for government medical college के लिए सिर्फ. Okay, अभी now you can say it is for all rounds. So first round, second round, and mop round 3, and stray round 4, and special stray round 5. Shamyal, so 509 OBC Rajasthan, and Rajasthan mein, okay, so there is a fair chance of getting a medical college somewhere, even in the government college or a private college, it doesn't matter. So Shamal, definitely you are going to get a good chance, right? So when you see unreserved category, the first round it started cut by 660, and it is decreased and end up at the special round 652. So 650 maximum you have 8 marks to wait for 4 rounds. Can you believe it? Itna competition hai. RR 390 SC Karnataka, difficult I can say. Amit Singh 470 Himachal, yes, Himachal, you have a healthy competition there, you can get it definitely. 420 OBC Uttar Pradesh, definitely. Being human, I know you are my student in YT channels, so you attended my class, remember? Okay, I remember that. Okay, so you have a very good chance in the OBC category, bacho. And you can see in the OBC category, it is all over India. Yesterday I played this slide. I wanted to play this slide for on student request. After this slide, we are going to get into the chemistry analysis. What's wrong in that? If a student is asking, we can do it. You can see 660 all India rank 1960 tak ye cut hoga. So 1960, and it is going to be 25220. So the rank is just for 8 marks, you are just to see around 6,000 it come as a difference. Okay, RR 390 SC Karnataka, yes, SC Karnataka thoda sa mushkil hai. Okay, it is difficult and you have to wait for a couple of rounds to check your luck. Okay, so OBC, so 660, 658 कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, and it is ended up the same 652 के 652. Okay, so you can keep questioning us so that we will understand how you are doing and how we are providing the services. Always Sri Chaitanya is there, and Infinity Lane by Sri Chaitanya is there for you to make your journey, dream journey into the stepping into the medical college. Please like this session, share with your friends, and subscribe to Infinity Lane YouTube channel. Okay, and if it is EWS, both are seems like a same, and it is ended up the same, and little 2-3 marks farak padta hai. And you can see for the SC and ST, 575 in the first round, 544 in the first round, and it is going to be 549 again. Here it is going to be drastic dip when it comes to scheduled category and OBC and EWS and unreserved category. So no worries, all the best my dear students. Based on this 2024 statistics and 2025 statistics, relatively a number से कम नंबर का कट ऑफ हो सकता, and definitely you will be in a safe any number which cross 550, so in the unreserved category definitely I can say that. Okay, anyways, let us move ahead how the chemistry paper is. And before going for the category wise qualifying criteria between 2024 and 2023, and you can see this is an amazing session. Based on this rank card, you will be giving as a percentile, and in marks category in 2023, just see 2023 720 के लिए number of candidate इतना मिला, okay, and it is going to be 48th percentile का 8000 मिला, 48th percentile का 29,000 मिला. It is in the SC category and ST category. It is going to be 40th percentile के लिए 12,400 का है. You can see in the same way the same numbers 50 percentile के लिए NEET 2024 में आसपास में इतना है. So it is going to be 11,6590, 11,65,090, and it is 10,000 odd, it is 11,000 odd. The state is the same, and it is going to be 40th percentile OBC is going to be 8,000, nearly 9,000, 8,800, and so sorry 88,000 का है, and it is going to be 1 lakh का है. So the number 10,000 के आसपास में ऐसे आ रहे हैं. ऋषित रॉय 385 SC सेमी गवर्नमेंट कर्नाटका, SC semi government Karnataka 385. Yes, there is a fairly okay, and we have to wait for that. Okay, Rishi Roy, and the total number here, so 11 45 976 13 16 268. So there is a number definitely increased, and the question paper difficulty is increased. So that definitely based on that cutoff is going to be definitely impacted. So let us talk about NEET 2025 chemistry paper. So how you feel your chemistry 2025 paper? Is it easy or moderate or lengthy or difficult or lengthy plus difficult? I want to know from the chat box how you will do. So how did you do? So you say here, Abhinav, you tell me, Ashok, Rishit Roy. So let's talk about chemistry paper was tough. I feel it is tough because some questions seems like easy, but it is tough and lengthy in compared to the last 5 years papers. Last few years paper, I have analyzed the last 5 years paper, right? So based on that we can say, and 16 questions were asked from physical chemistry, mind it. If you have the question paper in your hand, you can just open it, see. And based on this question paper analysis, we can have a good plan for dropping and repeating and pursuing whatever it may be. And 12 questions from the inorganic chemistry, bacho, and 17 questions from the organic chemistry. It is a valuable information that can give you 16 questions from physical, right? And 12 questions from inorganic and 17 questions from organic chemistry, right? And also we can say of these 22 questions are from grade 11 and 23 questions are from grade 12 syllabus. So the balance, the NTA maintained the well balance between 11th standard to 12th standard, 22 and 23 questions, right? Rishit, that's good. So, my dear students, I want you to participate in this discussion. So, it is an interactive session, strategy session. So, when we discuss something here, we are exploring something. This information, not only about the chemistry over here, the analysis of your rank, cutoff, and the colleges, it helps you once you got the result also, and getting into the medical college is going to be a game. We want to conduct a study session for that also. Stay tuned. So, a lot of information for NEET, dream NEET for medical college is going to be given here. Now, let's NEET 2024 ka story kya hai? It is a story for the 2025 and I want to give you the analysis for the 2024. So, अगर आप 2026 का जानना चाहता हूँ ये 2024 related to 2026 का, so you can predict the actual path of your journey. So, ये NEET 2024 chemistry paper में क्या करना चाहता हूँ? So, it is going to be the chemistry paper was a little tougher than last year. Last year का मतलब 2022 का 2023 का. So, कभी भी पूछो chemistry paper tough पहले शुरू में ऐसे दिखता है, लेकिन when I say 2024 related to 2025 it is easier, but it is related to 2022, 23, 24 paper is little tougher, not a so toughest paper, and but the standard was good and overall it is well balanced paper. Let us see here. We have very good things in the physical and organic and inorganic, and 22 from the 11th and 23 from the 12th. Now let us see. So inorganic chemistry was somewhat tougher again than the last year, because inorganic chemistry statements NCERT से पकड़ के उल्टा फुल्टा करके दिखा दिया है पर. Okay, बच्चों physical chemistry was tougher than the last year, yes, and the organic chemistry remains the same. Organic chemistry का standard high से था, physical and inorganic chemistry का थोड़ा सा paper tough दिया गया. Yes, let's see the class wise in class 11th. Okay, 12 questions were asked from physical chemistry in 2024 का scenario, 2024 का scenario, and we have 5 questions from inorganic chemistry. Mr. Wisdom, hello, and 5 questions from organic chemistry. This is as of now the class wise 11th standard ka. Right? Now for the 12th standard, the class syllabus, you can see 7 questions for physical chemistry, and you have 11 on inorganic chemistry bachcho, and 11 on organic chemistry. So it is it tallying 45? There was 50 questions, right? There was 50 questions in 2024. So there were 5 questions from the physical chemistry, and which were added in the syllabus in this year, because फिलहाल 2024 तक COVID time था and rationalized syllabus is given. Now it is introduced, and number of questions were asked from the ionic equilibrium. There are 5 questions and of statement type, and 7 questions are matching. So this is a matching type questions are more prone in the JEE pattern. Okay, so that misleaded the entire student community. So when the matching type questions come in, so NTA focusing on the NEET is in adopting JEE methodologies. So people studied in the JEE passion. So other hand, what happened? So JEE paper standard is little easier. So NEET people, what NEET preparing students, what they thought, so NEET पेपर भी easy आना चाहिए आज जैसे आपका JEE पेपर का. Soumya, hi. And so in 2025 what happened? There are 19 examinations conducted by NTA for JEE exam. Mains all papers are easy or less than easy. So NEET people also thought that it will be easy, but NEET 2025 सबको एक धमकी दिया and slapped. Physics is also like people are crying like anything. रोना शुरू है ना बेटा? Now let us see the graphs and the tabular form for this, and the NEET 2020 chemistry paper analysis. The total overview aspect, it is in detailed, and it is details, and you can say total questions 40, it is not 50. previously it was at 50. And you can say type of questions, all are multiple choice questions. In that multiple choice questions, different model of questions are being given. Yes, Geeta Madhuri 5.0. Sir, is there any high chance of having a age limit at attempt of NEET UG 2026? No age limit. Okay, in 2025, mother and daughter is together written the examination in Telangana. Okay, so mother, she had a dream to become a doctor, but she couldn't. So her daughter is writing NEET examination. Mother ko laga NEET examination likhne ke liye, let us see what best they can do now. So as you asked Geeta Madhuri, there will not be any age limit for your NEET examination even 2026. I can assure you that. Okay, Saurav Kumar 538 Bihar EBC, any chance? हाँ, बिहार ईबीसी में 538 को चांस होगा बेटा. So be confident, definitely it will be. Saurabh, fine बेटा. Now let's talk about total marks 180 का है. Areas covered, organic, inorganic and physical chemistry. Question format a mixed direct वाला है. So direct questions and concept application based. Okay, Geeta, thank you. Geeta failed in NEET exam 2025. No, Geeta, you're going to write 2026 in an awesome way. In an awesome way, I can promise you that. So we are going to start a new program for NEET 2026. You please join NEET 2026 program. You will be doing the best for your NEET 2026. And stay tuned. It is there in the description box. Just click it and link is available. And conceptual questions are also there. So in that I have some diagrams also and some pie diagrams also. Definitely you will be right. Okay, thank you Geeta. No worries, I am here to help you. Total Infinity Learn team is ready to help you. Talking about NEET 2025 chemistry subject wise difficulty level. Chemistry, okay, सिर्फ chemistry के लिए. So total 45 questions के लिए. So easy in a student's perspective. Easy questions are 11 and medium or moderate questions are 19. Okay, hard questions are 15. 15 hard questions nikla. So moderate, sometimes you say it is a 20 and it is going to be 14 or it could be 18, it could be 16. It's all perception, medium and hard. Sometimes easy also, 1 or 2 kuch farak padta hai, so you don't have to worry about that. When you see the graphical level, you can see here hard, easy and medium. So I was expecting 50% to 60% supposed to be medium, but here it is 42.2% medium aa raha hai beta. That is the pathetic thing. So medium in the student's perspective, as a faculty, I also say it is in the same way. And hard is the, I was expecting less than 20%, a hard ka percentage 33 बढ़ गया. So this is not for you, this is not for you, it is for the entire students. That's the reason why what I say directly here, this hardness can provoke that it is the cutoff is going to be getting down and easy is going to be 24.4. I was expecting 35% paper is 35% paper supposed to be easy. So this value is decreased and this value is decreased and this value is increased. So that makes this NEET 2025 chemistry assessment, right? Right, now class wise NEET 2025 chapter paper analysis. So subject chemistry class 11th से आपका 20 questions मिला, 2024 में 22 questions मिला and class 12 में 25 मिला and here 2024 में class 12 से 23 questions मिला and percentage of 11th is 44 का and percentage of 12th का 55 का. So you can see there is a 45 to 55. If it is a 50, 50, 45, 55. Okay, there will not be any slope between 11th to 12th. So I strongly recommend my dear students, give equal priority for the grade 11 as well as 12. Soumya, right beta? Okay, now let us discuss about this 12th 55.6 and 11th 44.4, you know. So hope this information can give you insight. अगर आप आगे प्रिपेयर करना चाहता हो तो ये स्टैटिस्टिक्स हमारे दिमाग में रखना है. सो इसका हिसाब से आप प्रिपेयरिंग शुरू भी कर सकते हैं. And this could be very easy, and if you do something in a planned way, you can get a automatic success, right? Sir, one question, questions can be expected the same way in the physics and chemistry in NEET UG exam 2026, Geeta Madhuri. Definitely physics questions are going to be as same standard as chemistry questions. But chemistry questions is related to theory oriented, somewhere you connect it to the textbook. When it comes to the physics, it is application oriented. At least you need to understand the language a question कहना चाहता है क्या. So you need to understand what question wanted to say. So for that you miss somewhere and you feel the question is tough. If you understand the question in the physics, it is half done and it can be easily answered. Yeah. We can somewhat of NCERT question 2025 question paper when it comes to the biology. Of course, biology हमेशा NCERT से उठा के लेता. Chemistry भी कभी कभी ऐसे कर सकते हैं. But NEET a problem solving strategy सीखना है. Definitely physics teacher is there in NEET YT channel, YouTube channel. Definitely you take the help from a very good physics teachers are there. Pool of physics teachers are there. So Adarsh Rai sir is going to take a couple of sessions nowadays here. Now you see NEET 2025 chemistry question type analysis, okay, and single choice questions, okay, MCQs 27, and so single choice question, one question 4 options direct. Om Prakash 530 उड़ीसा कौन सा कॉलेज मिलेगा, कौन सा कॉलेज मिलेगा. Okay, that data is there. Tomorrow I want to make mark versus college in the state wise, जैसे हम कल किया था ना. Okay, I have a special session tomorrow for this question, right? Stay tuned. Om Prakash Jana. Yeah, Geeta Madhuri sir, how to, where to find J advanced level physics and chemistry questions, high level questions. We see 3 topics mixed questions, 1 concept, NEET UG exam 2025. अरे सिर्फ 3 क्वेश्चंस के लिए you don't study IITG advanced questions. That is going to be a big task because question answer करने का तैयारी अलग होता है. So NEET examination, it is all about 1 question and 4 options. So the presentation and the mode of asking question, a comprehension type, numerical type, different will be there for the JE advanced. Never read JE advanced book for the sake of getting difficult questions. Okay, in the NEET examination book itself is a difficult level questions are there. Definitely total coaching industry is working on that. So we are going to give you from Infinity Learn, so the toughest mode of the questions for the 2026 paper, and already content team is on working for that. Stay tuned for us so that all updates related to difficult questions are also will be discussed based on the difficulty of the 2025 paper. So stay tuned. Okay, Rishika Sarkar 546 AIQ general. Okay, so you need to get AIQ general 600 plus hona chahiye Rishika. Geeta Madhuri, thank you. Okay, we'll study seriously with her conceptual way, sir. Sorry to disturb. No. You're welcome to ask a question, Geeta Madhuri. I remember you. So 1 year bonding between the student and me, and here so many students who are in the live and engaging us now. And Rishika Sarkar 564 AIQ. I told you, you need to cross 600 to be in the general category of government medical colleges. Akash Singh 488 general, UP MBBS 488. Chances बहुत कम है बेटा, बहुत कम है. Okay, so now let's talk about statement 1, statement 2 based questions are 4, and multi-statement based questions are 7 and statement question based questions का जैसे assertion reasoning भी है and it is only one is asked. Matchings are there, 6 matchings are there, grand total 45. Okay, can you tell me the AIMS cutoff का एक slide भी बना हो ना, AIMS cutoff का एक slide भी है and we'll discuss about AIMS cutoff का 720 out of 720 is given in the last year, right, Geeta Madhuri? So yesterday the session, you just watch it, you will understand. Now you can see here, so this is the same data I want to give you in the pie diagram here, and you can say single choice question 60% का है, बाकी 40% का है, match the calling 13% का है, assertion and reasoning 2.2% का है, and multi statement 15.6% का है, and statement 1 and statement 2 8.9% का है. अखिलेश सिंह 488 जनरल यूपी एमबीबीएस या बीडीएस या एसी. सो बीडीएस मिलेगा, एमबीबीएस थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है बेटा. ओके अखिलेश, right. Munna, can you tell me the BMC Bangalore cutoff for OBC? So that is scheduled for tomorrow, Munna. That data I am going to provide you here and I'll get back to you, right? Dilip, 553 OBC. Shall I get all India quota 553 OBC? थोड़ा सा 580 600 बीच में होगा तो कुछ सोच सकते हैं दिलीप. ओके, Pro FX chemistry 152 wrong and 5 left. Is it a good score in chemistry? Anything out of 120 is going to be an excellent. Okay, anything out of 120 is going to be an excellent. Okay, right, you are in the game. You are in the, based on this chemistry 150, I can say you are in the game. Game is on, bachcho. This is about the overall question distribution graphical I just want to give you. Right, Soumya पूछना चाहता हूँ, and here chapter wise NEET 2025 paper analysis for chemistry. These are all the 11th chapters. You have structure of atom, there are 2 questions are asked, wavelength ratio, and classification of elements and periodicity. Electronegativity is also been asked, ionization energies, 2 questions. Achilles 488 ACMS, priority of the मिल सकता, 488 ACMS नहीं बेटा, कुछ थोड़ा सा अखिलेशिंग थोड़ा सा मुश्किल बात है. And you can say hydrocarbons, alkane, alkene and benzene, alkynes, it is going to be 3. It is connected. If you say a question is from alkane, this question from alkyne, this question is from benzene, 3 are connected sometimes. It is there, and there are 2 controversial questions be here. And let us see here some basic concepts of mole concept and stoichiometry. 2 questions has been asked, and the same template you can follow it for 2026 as well. Okay, and keep asking. I am going to read everybody's message and I will respond to you what you can do it. Yes, how much range of rank for me at 582 marks? ये cutoff का हिसाब से होगा बेटा. It's based on this cutoff. Okay, so prediction means you can throw anything. So I don't want to give you wrong statements because it is a logical thing. Sir, a conductance answer क्या होगा? Yes, I want to discuss. Pratham, I want to discuss the same question. It is there in the next 4-5 slides. I will discuss. That is a controversial questions. Okay, Pratham Khade, wait, stay tuned for next 5 minutes. You will understand. 145 chemistry being human, wrong in 7 wrong in chemistry. कोई problem नहीं बेटा. Anything 120 से ऊपर. It is going to be good. Here talking about redox reaction, बहुत खतरनाक chapter है, and it is only got 1 question from the redox. Okay, so conductivity question I want to discuss it. Conductivity 1 and Grignard reagent the question is there. I want to discuss that. Okay, and organic chemistry GOC you got 4 questions. You got 4 questions, right? Liebig method का है, and acidity, stabilities and equilibrium, total chemical equilibrium, physical equilibrium मिला के आपको 3 questions मिला. Got it? And also you have chemical bonding and molecular structure, you have 2. hybridization, shapes, okay, dipole moment, bond parameters, everything, okay. And thermodynamics सिर्फ एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, and this is about the total number of questions that is there as far as the grade 11 is concerned. And let us talk about grade 12th का है, so 11th का है, 11th का है, and अभी फिलहाल 12th का है. In this 12th you have biomolecules, so don't follow the order, right? So biomolecules 2, and principles of salt analysis, qualitative analysis, barium carbonate, it is asked. Yes, group 5 carbonates, so it is going to be 1. And coordination complexes, 4 questions are asked. Bapre, it is difficult. It's not at all difficult. One controversial question is there, that is not from complex compounds, rather I wanted to say it is also from electrochemistry. It is connected here and there, na? So yes. Now talking about here, सर कंडक्टेंस कर में 2 आंसर्स थे, so the answer कंडक्टेंस को चार्ज के हिसाब से, so yes, pro fx, I just want to discuss the same question. Stay tuned, okay. Pro fx and one more student, Pratham Khade, wait, I am discuss the question, I'll discuss the question now itself, stay tuned. And P block only for 11th standard and 12th standard is 2 questions are being asked, bachcho. And chemical kinetics 3 questions are asked, little confusing. 1 question is confusing, rest of the questions are as it is. Electrochemistry 1, solutions are 3, amines 2, and diazonium chloride को भी एक आए थे. So lengthiest chapter in the organic chemistry, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids 3, and D and F blocks 1, halo 2, halo compounds and haloarenes, and you can see alcohols, phenols, ethers 1. So this is the overall strategy for this 11th standard. And when you see NEET 2025 detailed chemistry questions, difficulty and their breakdown. So inorganic chemistry, moderate wala and easy wala and difficult wala, hard and moderate, this much granular level discussion I just want to make you. It's strategy session, right? And in that you can say inorganic chemistry 12.2 is moderate, and inorganic chemistry easy is 9.8, and inorganic chemistry hard is going to be 7.3. If a hard question comes from this inorganic chemistry, it is going to be little difficult, okay, that is a universal truth. Talking about organic chemistry, moderate 14.6, and organic chemistry hard 9.8, and it is going to be moderate hard. इसमें easy नहीं देखेगा, moderate organic chemistry easy, either moderate and hard bus. And talking about physical chemistry, now it is going to be easy 7.3, मुफ्त में नहीं मिलेगा, easy बहुत कम मिला. And physical chemistry easy moderate 14.6, and hard is going to be 12.2. So this is the overall picture of a breakdown of easy and hard. Hi Karthik, chemistry 146, congratulations, you are in the game. Chemistry 146, congratulations. Now talking about here NEET physical chemistry ka analysis, redox reaction, basic concept, structure of atoms, states of matter, thermodynamics and equilibrium. The percentage level, the pie diagram is given, and also you can see this is about the physical chemistry 2025 scenario beta, okay. So you can plan accordingly, and you can see for this NEET physical chemistry chapter wise weightage. Solid state, it is not actually solid state, okay. Surface, okay, surface is connected here, you say it is there in the syllabus or out. And you can say inorganic chemistry, okay, it is there for the 11th standard classification of elements and chemical bonding, hydrogen, S block alkali metals, some P block elements. So S block alkali metals, it is connected with this chemical bonding as well, and it is connected with the periodic table. Hi Munna, I have scored 155 marks with the 5 negative. No, 155 if you score in a single subject in a chemistry, it is going to be. So Uttej, I think you are there in the yesterday's class also. Postal Uttej, I remember 500 OC EWS Andhra Pradesh, any government seat. As of now, you can't say that, okay? Especially for the government medical college in Andhra Pradesh, a lot of competition is going on, okay? Take care. And you talk about the chapter wise class 10, here it is general principle of proper. This is practical chemistry, qualitative analysis, and coordination compounds, P block and D and F block elements, okay? And also for the organic chemistry, you can see 29, 14 and 28 and 29, right? And also you can see organic chemistry, some basic concepts, hydrocarbon, aldehydes and ketones, amines and alcohols and phenols and the biomolecules. This comes into the GOC, it comes into the GOC and the other things, and various parts you can see 16%, 15%. So when you classify this now, something is connected to hydrocarbon to haloalkanes and alcohols. Alcohols is connected to aldehydes and all. So that is some version of the weightage of class 11th and 12th. Okay, let's explore the controversy. Ready? Let us explore the controversy. आपको कहाँ controversy मिला? The major product on the following reaction. So what is the expected cutoff in Andhra Pradesh OC for this seat? So definitely it is going to be 600 plus postal weightage. So right now pro effects, this is one question, and the major product on the following reaction. Once methyl magnesium bromide is reacted, it is going to be a good base and excellent nucleophile. So once it is done, definitely methyl magnesium bromide is going to give you a secondary alcohol and it is going to give you a ketone. Okay, so what exactly happened? So it is going to give you so this is the structure, it is the structure, because once the acid Grignard reagent is added and it is hydrolyzed, rest of the Grignard reagent is consumed by the acid, therefore this ketone cannot be further reacted. It is a controversy. Many of the students are thinking this, and this is not actually, and this is going to be the answer. Postal Uttej, right? So this is actually the answer. So D is going to be the answer, what I feel. And moving into the controversy here, out of the following complex, which of the compound will be having the minimum conductance in the solution? Entire India, my dear students, this is the question where entire India is running behind that. Is that okay? So pro FX, one student is asked, and one more student, who is that? I want to see that student, Partham Khade. So minimum conductance बोलने के लिए, minimum conductance कम से कम होना. So you marked fourth option, so this is not. So it is non-conductors. So they said non-electrolytes. They are non-electrolytes. I would say they are non-electrolytes. अगर नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स होने तो कंडक्टेंस जीरो होगा ना. हाउ डू यू से कंडक्टेंस जीरो? रेसिस्टिविटी इन्फिनाइट होना चाहिए. सो कंडक्टेंस के बारे में बात करते हैं, कम से कम कंडक्टेंस कम से कम कितना होगा? हाय अहमद, नो फोर्थ नहीं होगा. सो इफ इट इज अ फोर्थ, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू 3 ऑल्सो इज द सेम. हाँ, सुरेंद्र सिंह 675, इट्स अ वेरी गुड स्कोर सुरेंद्र सिंह, डेफिनेटली यू आर इन द गेम. And Ahmad, hello, I also marked fourth pro FX. No, that is wrong. That is wrong here. So here it is going to give you, 4 ions, and here it is going to give you 2 ions, and here it is going to give you 0 ions. So when 0 ions, they are not conductors. So when you take the conductance into the action, so less number of ions should be taken into the consideration. Maybe NTA may give this answer to. Technically, if it is given, otherwise it is a bonus question. Otherwise it is going to be a bonus question. Either it should be given option 2 if the argument is true, otherwise it should be supposed to be a bonus question. That NTA has to take a decision on that. So how can we know 4 ions at 0 ions? Geeta Madhuri, this is everything is there in the square bracket, it is not going to ionize. And if you see, this is a CO, NH3, 6, and it is going to be Cl3. So anything outside the square bracket can be ionized, so that it is going to be CO, NH3, 6 and 3 plus. So total 3 ions, 1 ion, total 4 ions you are going to get. Are you getting or not? Partham, hope so bonus. Even I am hoping so bonus. So अगर बोनस देते हैं ना, सबको भी फायदा उठा लेते हैं, सिर्फ आपका स्कोर बढ़ जाता है, कट ऑफ भी बढ़ जाता है. शायद इतना ही होगा. हमद पेपर वेरी बैड ना. It is good but lengthy. It is good but lengthy. Okay. My teacher said the third and fourth is imperfect compounds that could break. So my answer said 4. No, that is not the appropriate explanation to you, and it is going to be the appropriate explanation. My dear children, hope you just any other questions here, any other questions, bachcho? Bonus marks will be given to only to attempted the question, non-attempted the question. Bonus marks करने के लिए कम से कम आप attempt करना है, or otherwise it is going to be like this only. So please clarify का Geeta Madhuri. So this is the one you have to check these ions and split anything outside the square bracket, and you are going to get the ions. 3 ions over here and 1 ion over here. So total 4 ions. Geeta Madhuri, is that clear? Is that clear? Now, dear students, this is the breakthroughs that in the chemistry paper NEET examination is concerned. So I strongly recommend these strategy sessions are very helpful to you. Yes, it's clear. Thank you very much. These strategy sessions are so helpful to you, and everybody follow our NEET Infinity Learn YouTube channel, and tomorrow I am going to present you state-wise cut-off government colleges as well as private medical colleges, and it is going to be a very good fiery session. So thousands of students at a stretch questions will be asked. So thank you very much, and we are done for the day, and we'll meet tomorrow with very good information, and we are done for the day. And please like and share and subscribe to Infinity Learn YouTube channel, and stay tuned for 2 days. We are coming up with a new series from the NEET channel, from Infinity Learn YouTube channel. So for this 2026 appearing students. Okay, thank you very much. Signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry.